So, good morning, guys, and welcome to this week's top-down analysis across all of base and trade. So, if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscription button. If you are here before, bring your seats and popcorn. Let's keep it rolling. So, as we do it normally, we wipe down the previous analysis and start afresh to keep evolving the market. So this is DXY, and I normally do it. I analyze DXY first because it helps me with the correlation to know what I expect on other USD pairs. And as you can see, DXY is bearish, so I expect other pairs to be bullish. So let's go on to monthly and highlight our zones. Last month ending, we were expecting the market to come out bullish this month. So we were expecting the DXY to be bullish this month, but unfortunately it wasn't. So all you have to do is just to evolve with the market. And in case you are new and don't know how I find all these zones, you simply find your zone from knowing where there is a lot of endings in the market. Like as you can see, got a couple of candlesticks ended here and here, and this is monthly. So mind you, whenever price comes to it to 1 hour or 2 hours, price must give you a reaction according, and you get your entry according to the bias of the market of the time. So here again, I'm saying something right here. This is where market bounces whenever it comes to. You highlight the body of the candle, not the wick of it. So as you can see, and there is another resistance right here. I'm seeing it on the weekly. There is something here. So as you can see, market has rushed down into a zone, and inside that zone last week closed inside. Then this week, when I opened my chart this morning, I saw that the opening candlestick, it just went up under a minute and swept this full high and came back, which means the market is likely to be so bearish today. All this week you see happened under a minute, so we expect the market to be bearish maybe this whole week. So let's go down and know if we've gotten a break of structure yet. And know if we've gotten a break of structure yet. So the break of structure has happened in 4 hours. So this is a mini break of structure right here in 4 hours. It might come to this one, it might not, but as long as this structure has been broken, what you expect is another 4-hour candlestick to still close inside. If this one closes here and the second one just keeps going back up, you shouldn't take the trade. Although my broker doesn't trade the DXY, so what you should expect is for this one to close outside this way, and then another 4 hour, maybe probably wick inside, then close outside. Then if the third one retraces here, you can join the trade. But once it's on the second one, you don't join the trade, it's a fake breakout. So that is how you know a fake breakout and not know a fake breakout. So if if you like what you are doing, just hit the subscription button and turn on your notification bell for the time that we are going to drop. For the time I'm going to drop another video. Man, pardon my voice. I'm just waking up from sleep, and my analysis is the first thing I do in the morning. I do my analysis, set my alarms, and walk through my day. So, pardon the voice. So this is what you expect on the XY this week. This is liquidity that I expect price to take out. Then I expect price to come here, give us a rejection, do something like this, and then boom, and take out this low at least. So this is what I expect market to do the XY. So as I find out that the XY is bearish and has closed below the line, has closed below a resistance zone, so now we go on to Euro USD with that same expectancy that it should be bullish, and as you can see, it is bullish. This was what I analyzed last week. How I got this particular level was in my previous video, so if you haven't watched it, go and watch it yet. But for now, we analyze today. So, as usual, get the whole thing and start afresh. So now we start highlighting where we expect reactions in the market. So looking at it from here, then after here, this is the next zone. The reason why I take it step by step this way is so as not to miss any zone. So this is the next zone, and then yes, and then something is here, and then after there is something here as well, and after here to the upside, is it here now? And there is something here, yes, there is something in this center. So now we go to weekly. There is something in this zone as well, but it's not clear and it's not aligning to the left side. So please go to the daily time frame and know what price is giving us. So as you can see in daily time frame, price broke here and we tested it this way, left this other block, and it's going up. So what we should be expecting is for price to break above this other block and come back 4 hours as we tested the broken trend line. So we expect daily to do its own retest as well. Now this is something about BCT. I haven't even tried to introduce this. BCT is my strategy. It is bias continuation theory. It is designed by me for you to help you catch trades on catch trades according to the direction of the market. Man, I don't know what's happening to my voice this morning, but you just have to bear with me. To catch trade according to the direction of the market, that is according to the name bias continuation theory. So as you can see, this market is trending up, and the only thing you're just looking for is a way to join this trend. So as you can see, market has broken this resistance, it's a monthly resistance, and the 4-hour has done its retest and is going now is for daily to take out this daily high and close 4-hour candlestick to close above it. Then we'll look for a retest on this zone, then target this zone right here. So that is just what it's all about. So this is what I expect. I expect market to take out a high. Market should take out a high. This one is taking out already. So according to what I told you on DXY, if only this 4-hour candlestick closes here and it starts shrinking down suddenly, if you want to join the trend, you allow one to close up, then the second one closes up as well, then you can join the third one. So that is exactly what I expect on Euro USD to do. Whenever it retests to the zone, then I look for a reaction here and then ride it to the upside. So let's make the line look cleaner. So this is the breaking structure. This is what we expect the market to do. Come down, take out this, come down, take out this wicks right here, then do something like this. Then with volume, if you don't see volume, you don't take it. Then it reverses up like this, come back with this, and come give us something on this external wick. You don't get greedy, you just take whatever the market gives you. You get in, you get green, you get out. That is how we do it right here. So nevertheless, I still expect the market to take out this high before coming back. I still expect this POS will be taking before coming back. So let's go to GBP card. So as you can see, to do top-down analysis is not actually hard. You should just train your eyes on what you are supposed to be seeing. Just identify the bias and spot and look for a way to join the trend. It's just as simple as that. So here we are on monthly time frame, and I'm already seeing my dear levels. So this is it. Remember, you highlight from body closures, not weak closures. So there's another friendly line right here. So we take it the same way. Okay, I'm seeing something here as well. And there is something here as well. And then here, after here, after this zone is not clear, I will have to like, okay, yes, and then here. So you check where the price has respected previously to the left side, because what happens in the left side of the market is what orchestrates what is going to happen the future of the market. So get that into your head and let it take in there. So this is what we are looking out for on GBP card, and in case market this break out this high, I should be expecting market to retest this zone for us. Yes, I should be expecting market to retest for this zone for us. Then we look for a buy from the zone, but if it breaks out the zone up, we should just run the trend on the retest of this line right here. Then we'll keep pushing for the upside. So that is it. So what do we expect here? What we expect is for market to come down to this previously broken breakout block right here. As you can see, market broke it with volume. I expect market to come down right here, and then do something like this for us and take out the side, but the market is mostly likely not going to do that. Yeah, the market is likely not going to do that. This is what I expect the market to do, and because the market might not do that, it might just break up here, retest and keep going. Because as you can see, GBP, as you can see, Euro USD has done something like that. It just broke up and kept going, and most times GBP card correlates with it, so we might just expect it to be what is going to happen. Okay, look at this right here. So over to GBP USD. You clear your analysis and wait and do a new one and get your match fit. So if you like what we are doing, if you like how we are breaking it down, you kindly click your subscription button and on the notification bell for the time we'll drop our next video. So that is it. Now this is a zone right here. Expect market reaction from here. Then you here. Here as well. Yep. And then somewhere here. And then here. Yeah, there is something here as well. And if the market should break inside here, there is something here. There is something for reaction here. And something here as well. So this is where the market is, and as you can see, there is a lot of rejection from the zone. The market broke it out with volume, so we should be expecting market to retest back to this zone and keep going up. So let's go to daily and know what we expect here. And in daily, you can see our fair value gap sitting so pretty right here, which we should be expecting the market to fill for us. So this is a breakout structure right here. Then coming down to the 2 hours, it has a valid order block. It has an order block from the zone. It has another block in the zone, and I'm seeing a fair value gap right before that other block, which is from the fair value gap which comes from our daily time frame, which is right here. As you can see, this is the FVG right here, and it's a part of that daily FVG. So but it's a part of that daily FVG right here. So we should expect the market to come to this zone. So this is what you expect this week. You expect it to come to the zone, then do something like this with volume, and do something like this as well, and then boom to the upside. So that is what we expect this our friend to do. So each time after each analysis, you should ask yourself, what made me choose this zone? What made me choose this zone? What made me think this zone is going to hold? What made me think this zone is going to hold? That is how you become a good trader. Yeah. So that is it for GBP USD. So right here in Euro SDD, when we were analyzing last week, I told you guys that there is a trade I'm seeing right here, but the trade is going to be risky. So let me give you guys a breakdown of the trade. So this was how the trade went, and this now here is the importance of candlestick anatomy. You have to be pretty good at candlestick. That is how you survive this game. So I set my order here because Euro NZD is not good with market structure shift. So I set my order here. It came here and it took me in, and it wicked above. After wicking above, I kinda had a goosebump that this trade is going to go. Then I highlighted zone. There was a resistance zone right here. As you can see, the line, I won't clean the line. There is a resistance zone right here. So I highlighted the resistance zone to see what the market is going to do when the market came there. Then the market came there and it turned into a pin bar against my position. I don't know if you are getting me now. And whenever that thing happens, the market is likely going to go back and hit your stop loss, because what validates an entry is when the market comes and breaks out the last support or resistance zone before it went into your entry. So if it couldn't break it with volume, it just means that what you are catching is a retracement. It's not a reversal. So immediately I saw it, I waited for the second candlestick. It did the same thing. Then I just exited the trade, and as you can see, after exiting the trade, it just came back here and then it did something like this. It's going to trap some people to think that the market is really going, but then after it just did it. Then from there it came back to its stop loss. It is now going up, but I don't still think it's going to hold. This is where I'm putting my grand entry, but let's clear everything and we'll do the analysis to see what we are getting from this week. So let's go to monthly time frame and see what we are getting here. So Euro NZD has like acquired been bullish for a couple of years now, and this is what we expect from our friend. So there it is right here. There is still something right here. And here again as well. That should be valid, but it has a lot of weeks. So let me just highlight it and let's go down to weekly and know what we're getting there. So as I've said before, the left side of the market is what orchestrates what the market is going to do on the right side. So we should be expecting a reaction from this zone. And another one from this zone. And I think we'll still have our friend. Now I'm seeing another block zone here and a breaker block zone here. So we have two zones here, 2 points of interest here. So wait, so let me highlight it. And the breaker block zone right here. So our breaker block friend is like it's already held price. So as you can see, this is exactly where the breaker block was, and it's already held price. So Euro NZD is not like doing something much different from what it did the previous time. So our entry should start from here. The reason why I choose this last order block is because of this little field value gap right here, this little FVG right here, and this little wick right here. So this wick is what is going to drop price here and then bring price down here. So this is simply what I'm expecting in Euro NZD. And so this is what I expect. I should keep waiting for price to come back here. So I expect price to just come back here, and of course it's going to like make a reaction from the zone, then keep pushing back up. So that is simply what I expect price to do. So down to USD share. So all the pairs we expect here for them, USD chef, USD card, we expect them to crash this week. previous levels. So you know how to do it. So these are levels where price has been reacting in the past couple of months. Right here. There's something here. And then here. Here. So let's go down to weekly and filter it out. And I think there is nothing much to filter. Did a clean job. So we did a clean job right here. So as you can see, the market is already trading below and it's on a support. It's on a zone and there is already another block in this zone right here. So I expect the candlestick to take this previous daily week out, that is Friday's low. I expect market to take Friday's low out and take Friday's low out and close below that Friday's low. Then we'll look for a reaction from this zone or this zone, because I'm seeing a fair value gap right here. So let's go to 2-hour time frame and know what you're seeing. The same thing is on 2-hour time frame. So I expect price to take out this low and then wait for a reaction from anywhere right here, anywhere here. It might come up, it might not. So we'll just keep waiting for a reaction anywhere from this zone, but we should be waiting for whatever we are going to get a volume, like a volume change to the downside. Then we'll keep shutting it down at least to this level. At least to this level. We should be taking our profit from this level. So that is simply what we expect USD chef to do for us to the downside. But coming here, I'm thinking that price should get to the zone, but most times it will tend to respect the support zone more than the other block zone. But whatever price does, we should be ready either ways. So GBP GPY. Let's play the code analysis. So let's start somewhere here. And then there is something again right here. And this GBP GPY is a play that it respects price action a lot. It just respects it a lot. And each time you are trading, you should always be mindful of previously successful traded zones. In this zone, you see that price traded successfully on its first retest. Whenever I see price come back there, expect price to take that zone out, go and write this down somewhere. It happens most times and it takes money of newbie traders. You don't just expect market to be trading from a particular zone. Market trades from a particular zone like at least 1 to 2 times, but after that 1 to 2 times, if market comes there in the third time, it takes everything in that zone out and it goes to the point of interest below it. That is just how funny the market works. So you should be aware of this. If you like the tips we are dropping here for free, kindly click that subscription button. That is what tells me that you appreciate it and wants me to keep going. So that is pretty how it is, and from here I'm seeing right here. Is it valid? Yes, it's valid. Let's check it left side, and yeah, it's very valid. So, and as you can see, market went through it with volume last week. So let's go to daily, and boom, this is what we're getting there. Daily already, daily can see already broke a structure up of it, and we are patiently waiting for price to come back to it, then give us a test. And this is a sweet analysis. There is something I'm seeing right here now. Whenever you see a wick like this, don't ignore it, you trace it down. So coming to 1 hour, as you see a wick, is simply exactly the way it was in 2 hours. Then 30 minutes, still that same place, exactly the way it was in 1 hour and 2 hours. Now you don't joke with something like this. Then in 15 minutes you saw it clean and clear. So you must be getting your entry below here. This wick is going to be taken out. There is nothing you're telling me about it. It's going to be taken out. So you should be looking for an order block below it, and we got one already. So this is what we expect on this is the break of structure right here. So this is what I simply expect on now. This is what I expect on GBP GPY. I expect BGPY. I expect for price to come here, give us a bounce back, then something like this, and boom, target this high. So the king XAUSD. You know, XAUSD had me chasing my course last week. It was just ranking on the line and scalpers were doing their thing. I love taking my position. So just tried it. Last week, I think the only trade I took last week was that Euro NZD that later he said in break even. So you should learn that in trading, the only secret in trading, the only holy grail in trading is that less is more. Especially if you are starting out, less is more. You trade less, you protect your capital. so it is more. But trading less doesn't mean that whenever a market comes to your POI, you panic around or you allow the market to go. Whenever market comes to your point of interest, you wait for your protocol. Once you see your protocol, you execute the trade like a champion. You are like a machine. You are like a sniper. You to be patient and courageous enough for markets to come to your point of interest already makes you a champion. So don't allow the market bounce off of a zone you highlighted, then you start chasing then you'll be chasing the trade. No, whenever the market comes down to you, there is no there is nothing poetic in you chasing a trade you were once waiting for. It is not good. So monthly time frame, I still expect gold to weak at the end, but the momentum now is different. But I say expect it to weak at the end of the month. That's what has been pretty been doing for a couple of months now. So we're expecting it to still weak down, that is to sell. But as long as we're not seeing a sell sign yet, we'll keep looking for a buy. Yeah, there's something here. There is something in the center. Exactly somewhere here. So this is what we have on XAUSD. So let's go down to forward timeline and look for our origins. Whoa. Now there is some complicated things right here, but we're going to figure it out. Now this is the last voluminous break of the writing. Yes. Now this was another block that pushed the price up to break the structure. Then okay, we should be looking for something from the zone right here. Now this is now a little bit of like complicated. There is a zone right here which pushed this high, and this zone pushed this one, then this zone pushed this one. So this is officially our zone. So this is our zone right here. This right here originated this break of structure. This is the origin of this break of structure, and it hasn't been tested. So we'll keep waiting for price to retest back to this particular zone and then keep on going up. So this is what I expect on gold. We expect gold to come back here today with volume, then do something like this and something like this, and come take out this high for us. It already has high liquidity. It's already had liquidity it's engineered. So just wait for it to break and the GT to be open. So that is it over here, and that is all for good. So this is USD card, and this was my previous analysis on USD card. Now from USD card, I'm already seeing zones to be highlighted, and this is one of them. This is one of them. And this is one of them. And I think we're missing something between here. There is something here. Then here again. There is something here. Now USD card is like a kind of just I don't know how to put it, whether intermediate trade or not. Intermediate trend, I don't know how to put it, because it is going up and at the same time coming down. Like, I don't know if you get what I'm saying. USD card, if you look at the chart very well, USD card is going up and at the same time coming down, because if you view it from this perspective, it has been going up and it came to a zone and reacted up. Then as you can see now, it is coming down from here in momentum, and it came to a zone here and it still reacted back down. So let's go to the time frame and check something out. So as you can see right here, a weekly, the market is just working from both zones. It came to this zone and it wicked back up. It came to this zone and it wicked back up. So USD card is just manipulating traders and not going to a straight place. It doesn't have a straight direction it's going to. So let's keep going down to daily. Man, the move here is like pretty confusing. So there is a zone right here, there is an FVG right here, and it might close it and keep on going up, or it might close it and keeps on coming down. So I think we should just go on to catch JPY and allow that baby girl to get its mind straight first. So this is what I see here. And I see and I see something here as well. Then right here, another thing here. Then you take it step by step from down to up so as not to miss any of them. And what makes each of them stronger than the previous one is on how tested it is by the market. If it hasn't been tested, it makes it less strong. So there is another one right here. Yeah, and I think our last coin has been tested. So as you can see, it pushed, price has started going up, up, up. And I don't think GPY is giving us anything as well. So after here, you expect price to still come here. So I think for now we should be waiting for price to take out that high for us. Yes, so there is one right here. We should be waiting for price to take out this high, and then we target this one. Target this one right here. So this is what you are expecting price to do. I expect price to, because price has broken up here and price has retested this zone, and price should just be trading up as of now. So this is what I expect price to do now. I expect price to break into this up and retest it, and then keep on going higher. As for this zone, there is nothing for us in this zone, as you can clearly see. So this is what I expect price to do, something like this, and then that is all for this video. If you watched to this stage, congratulations, you are among the chosen 1%. Subscribe, like and share for your friends to see as well. Peace.